Hey guys, welcome to Budget Gadgets PH. Before anything else, I hope you're always staying safe and if possible always stay at home and wash your hands to prevent COVID-19. Enjoy the video! Today, we are going to unbox Tylex MSK1 headphones. I bought this from lazada.ph for around 389 pesos or roughly $8. This is a wireless headphones for cheap. Very cheap. Actually, I bought this at discount. You can really discover great deals like this one on Lazada and any other online shops. The box of the product claims these specifications as appearing on your screen. Based on initial testing, I think these specifications are not true. But what can you expect with this price point anyways? The unboxing experience is straightforward. A plastic covering covers the plastic box. And when you open the box, you can pull out the carton inside it. You are greeted then with the headphones itself. And there is a micro USB cable included in the box. However, there's no 3.5mm jack included, so I guess you'll need to buy one if you want to use one, as the headphones itself is capable of using 3.5mm jack. The variant we have here is color gold. There are other color variants as well, like red, blue, black, and silver. I was going to buy the black version, but unfortunately at the time of my purchase, the black one was not available. So instead, I opted for the gold one. It has a metallic texture, and I'm not certain if the entire cover or cup, I actually don't know what it is technically called, is made up of some sort of metal or not, but I guess it is made of plastic, but it feels like metal. The headband is synthetic leather with this authentic like leather texture. Underneath the headband is like a smooth cloth with a bit of foam inside it, so it's quite comfortable. The headphones have physical buttons and ports. It has button for answering calls or for pausing or playing music, volume up and next button, volume down and previous button, FM or MP3 mode button, and power button. For the ports, it has micro USB port for charging and headphone jack. The ear cups are comfortable to the touch. They are also covered with synthetic leather, but the type on the ear cups are softer than on the upper part of the headband. And the ear cups can be folded inwards. So far, on first impression, the headphones are good enough considering its price. The materials used are good. It is still made in China though, and I know that we have this immediate impression if we see Chinese products. But still, considering the price, this Tylex MSK1 wireless headphones is very good. Tylex has many wireless headphones on its line, but I chose MSK1 primarily because of its looks. So far, you have a great first impression on this product, and I think I can already recommend this to all of you out there, especially those who are looking for wireless headphones on a tight budget. But still, I will review this product to prove if it's really a good buy. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I will upload more unboxing, review, and gadget news videos in this channel. This has been Budget Gadgets PH. Until the next video, see you and stay safe.